Fix Subnautica 2 not launching, won't launch, not opening, not starting on PC. 1. Restart your PC first, close Steam or Epic Games completely, restart your computer properly, try launching the game again. 2. Run the game as administrator. Right-click Subnautica 2 shortcut. Select Run as Administrator. Also run Steam Epic as administrator. 3. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Game Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 4. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel driver tool. Download the latest GPU driver. Restart PC after installation. 5. Disable Steam and Discord overlay. Turn off Steam overlay from Steam settings. Disable Discord overlay completely. Restart launcher before opening the game. 6. Install missing Visual C++ and DirectX files. Open the game installation folder. Run Visual C++ redistributable setup files. Install DirectX if missing or outdated. Header 7. Delete corrupted config files. Press Windows R, type cent local app data %, and press Enter. Delete the Subnautica 2 config/settings folder. 8. Disable antivirus temporarily. Turn off Windows Defender real-time protection briefly. Add Subnautica 2 folder to antivirus exclusions. Launch the game again to test. 9. Close background apps. Open Task Manager with Control-Shift-ESC. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS RGB apps, and overlays. Free up RAM before starting the game. 10. Reinstall Subnautica 2 cleanly. Uninstall the game completely. Delete leftover game files manually. Reinstall the game on an SSD for better performance.